You found the perfect light. Now for the hard part. Getting it installed without the headaches, the damage, or the dangling wires. At House of Lights, we eliminate the stress. Our promise is simple. The project is handled from start to finish by our experienced installation team. Don't just take our word for it. Read the reviews. Homeowners consistently give us 5 stars, praising our team for being efficient, professional, and leaving their space spotless. That trust is built on a foundation of nearly 63 years in business and a staff of ALA-certified experts. This is the value that comes with choosing the best in the business. Stop worrying about the installation and start enjoying your stunning new lighting design. We guarantee the workmanship so you can enjoy the glow. Call us today to schedule your project with the Team Florida Homeowners Trust.